Hello guys, what's up? On a Sunday afternoon, 19 Feb 2023. Let's fix something quickly if we can. It's Sunday, so I don't want to take too much time. So let me adjust my webcam. That will be better. So what we have this Bluetooth small speaker. So this was booked in as no power. Here we do have a switch here. You can turn it on, off, on, off, on, off. It's just dead. So trust me, this kind of speakers, they've got common fault. Either we have a charging port problem or we have a highly discharged battery. Why? Because this maybe was released from the factory maybe 1 year ago and it's never been charged. At some point the battery will get discharged, and at some point there will be no communication between the charger and the charging IC when you plug in the charger. Okay, so let's plug in the charger. That's the first thing that we can do. Plug in the charger. Let's wait to see here. It's taking like 0.007 amps, which is like 700 milliamps. Okay, let's do it again. Plug in the charger. I can see the red light here. Maybe you can see. You see? You see the light? Check here. You see the light? Disconnected light. It's just dead. I'm hear the fan sound, but I don't think this thing is working. Obviously there's nothing there. So let's open and fix this one quickly. If we have light, it means the charging port is good. It means the charging port is good. So our main focus, we check on battery, and what I'm doing mostly on such kind of radios, because those cells from the manufacturer, they don't hold the charge. The capacity is so bad. So I'm replacing with the cells from laptop batteries. We just open. That's the inside of the radio. Let's check for the battery voltage. We don't have to spend too much time fixing this. Like 1.47. 1.47 is not good. Must have a 3.6 amped, 4.2 fully charged, because all these are lithium batteries. We want to modify this because these batteries are not good at all. So I'll take this battery out. That's the small battery, you see. Let me look for cells from laptop batteries, you know. I think I have some. You can see even the size. Look at the size. This is a small fake thing. Or even we can even put this one. Well, these ones they are connected in parallel, so the voltage will still be the same. What do you think? What do you think we're supposed to do here? Should we put 2? Let's see how fast we can bring this thing to life. Let's take down this. Want the connector only. That's all what we want, because I don't want to see that battery. To me, it looks fakey. I want to put a better battery there. So let's put these ones. Hopefully they are also good. Hopefully they are good. Come on. I need to go home. This is just a small radio from street vendors. They just requested to fix this thing because he is using this small radio just to entertain himself while he's at work, which is a good thing. That's all. Let's check the voltage from these cells. Minus, plus. We have like 3.73. Okay, that's a good sign. All what is left is to plug in and test. That's all what is left. Plug in. Let's use our glue gun here. Just to stick the battery in position. Okay. Do you think our problem is solved? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Let's wait for the hot glue to dry up. Our glue, I think, is now dry up. What we did, we just improve from what the manufacturer did. You see this small thing, small battery, small cell. We put 2 cells connected in parallel mode just to carry more power. In that way, our radio will last longer with power, okay, longer time. So let's close up this. I don't think there's need to test here. Why should I test if I know that I've done it the right way? Why should I waste my time testing? So let's put back all the screws. All all the screws together. I fix a lot of such kind of radios with common fault. If you see the charging light, move your attention to the battery. That's the next step. That's the next step. So, any surprise? Power on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You see? Exactly what I told you. USB flash.
Music.
Our radio is working. You see? Let's power off the radio. It's working fine. I'm sure even charging is still charging fine. I think you can see from this angle. Let's plug charger plugged. You see here. You see here the red light. Unplugged, plugged. So you see that red light. So everything is working fine here. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you on the next game, okay?